Whether you're a budding podcaster, a gigging musician, or just love karaoke, the right wireless microphone kit can make all the difference. From high-end picks to budget-friendly options, we've got the scoop on the must-have kits for every price range. So, let's get started and find your perfect match in the wireless mic universe. If you're on the hunt for a portable, high-performance wireless microphone system that won't break the bank, the Sennheiser Blink 500 B2 Plus is about to become your new pocket-sized audio powerhouse. This 2.4 GHz wireless mic system packs a serious punch with its high-performance noise cancellation and low-cut filter, ensuring crystal-clear recordings, even in the noisiest environments. But that's not all. With up to 150 meters of wireless range, 20 hours of transmitter battery life, and a windproof capsule, you'll be equipped to handle any shooting scenario with ease. And the best part? Universal compatibility with cameras, smartphones, and computers, thanks to its analog and digital outputs. Plus, with real-time audio monitoring, an OLED display, and a convenient charging case, the Blink 500 B2 Plus is the ultimate all-in-one solution for creators on the go. Content creators, podcasters, and filmmakers, meet the Rode Wireless Pro, your ultimate wireless audio solution. With 2 compact transmitters and built-in omnidirectional mics, you'll capture professional-grade audio like a pro. But the real star is the dual-channel receiver, offering metering, timecode support, and seamless integration with cameras, phones, and computers. Now let's talk about power and versatility. With internal lithium-ion polymer batteries, offering up to 7 hours of battery life, and a smart charging case that can fully recharge the transmitters and receiver twice, you'll be able to tackle even the longest shoots with ease. But that's not all. You also get 2 lavalier mics for a more discreet look, and the transmitters boast 32 GB of internal storage, allowing you to record up to 40 hours of uncompressed backup audio while simultaneously transmitting to the receiver. And let's not forget about the 128-bit encryption and reliable wireless transmission range of up to 853 feet, giving you the freedom to move around without sacrificing audio quality. Creators, get ready to take your audio game to new heights with the DJI Mic 2. This premium wireless microphone system is a powerhouse, packing high-quality audio recording, intelligent noise canceling, and 32-bit floating-point internal recording into a sleek, revamped design. With its omnidirectional vocal optimization and powerful noise reduction, it delivers crystal-clear audio, even in bustling environments. But wait, there's more. The DJI Mic 2 also features a safety track that records a second audio track at -6 decibels alongside your main track, safeguarding against those unexpected audio level spikes. Whether you're at a rock concert or any other audibly chaotic environment, this mic will deliver balanced results with remarkable ease. From the stylish color options to the intuitive touchscreen operation, the DJI Mic 2 is a creator's dream come true. The Hollylandlar M2 Duo is about to become your new best friend. This lightweight wireless microphone, weighing a mere 9 grams, is designed to effortlessly record professional audio for your videos. With lossless sound reproduction and an impressive 40-hour battery life, there will be no annoying audio interruptions. But that's not all. It's incredibly small, measuring no bigger than a button. This discreet design means you can securely fasten it to your clothing without any drooping or sagging, ensuring a seamless recording experience. And let's not forget the versatile wearing options. Attach it with a magnet, clip it on, or rock the cool new necklace look. With 48 kHz per 24-bit high-fidelity audio, you can capture every nuanced sound detail with depth and clarity. And thanks to its high signal-to-noise ratio of 70 decibels, your recordings will be polished and crystal clear with a low-noise floor. You want to elevate your content game? Look no further than the Shure Miic 2 receiver kit. This wireless clip-on microphone system is a game-changer for capturing professional-grade audio on mobile devices, cameras, or computers. With up to 24 hours of recording time, quick setup, and 2 channels of high-fidelity audio, this wireless mic for cameras lets you capture every moment with crystal clarity. But that's not all. Shure's engineers have tapped into decades of wireless expertise to craft the ultimate audio experience. Using a custom acoustic design and proprietary wireless software, the Miic takes cable-free recording to unparalleled levels of broadcast quality. It's like having a professional audio team in your pocket. And the best part? The Move Mic 2 receiver kit merges functionality and compact design, allowing you to capture high-quality sound without sacrificing compatibility. It's the perfect blend of power and portability. So, that's all about must-have wireless microphone kits from all price range. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.